Hello everyone, welcome back to Ivy's Naturals, where healthy hair begins naturally. This is Ivy's mom, and today I'll be taking you on a tour to the famous spice Souq right here in Dubai. Do well to like, comment where you're watching from. I'd like to read from you, and most importantly, share this video to friends who might be looking for a place where to get herbs. And even if you cannot come to Dubai to get it, I can definitely make the supplies available to you. All you need to do is to tell me what exactly you want. I couldn't help but feel excited on getting to the market. You know that feeling where you're about to get to a place where you have endless herbs. And here is the popular gold Souq in the market, where you can get all manner of goods. Yes, wholesale, retails. This is the market you always hear and see on the internet. So as I explored the market, I finally arrived at the Souq. And guess what? The air was instantly filled with the aroma of spices and herbs from every corner. It was just like stepping into another world. Just look at all manner of herbs. The ones I know, the ones I'm familiar with, and new ones I couldn't help but just started to browse to know the names, just so I can familiarize myself with the new ones that were so strange to me. Kindly do well to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and turn on your notification button so you'll be the first to receive notifications on videos that are posted here weekly. Here I came across all manner of herbs that you're already familiar with, and also the ones I do not know. They had cinnamon, cloves, chamomile, they had star anise, all manner, just name it, lavender, rosebuds, bringraj. It's a whole lot. So I got quite a number of herbs. This is green tea. I got chamomile. I also got lavender. I got cloves, black seed, star anise, bay leaves, sunflower seeds, rosemary, hibiscus, coriander, moringa powder, amla powder, fenugreek, cinnamon sticks, chia seeds, and lastly, this is amla seeds. You know, I mentioned the powder before, so stay tuned to watch the very end so that you can see the benefit of some of these herbs I got. Thank you very much for following Ivy's Naturals. I appreciate your support. I appreciate you for sticking with us. Do well to always comment, like, and share our videos because it will help us to reach many more people who also need this information. Bye.